Hello everyone, I Neha welcome you all to another episode of Cha Time. In today's episode, we show you the second part of Mr. Bakshi's interview in Cha Personality. We also show you the second part of Pandit Ronu Majumdar's interview. And in Cha Health, Ela shows us some accidental exercises. But first, it's Cha Personality.
Uja presents Cha Personality. Uja, mwah!
Welcome back to Cha Personality. We are in conversation with the well-known politician and the representative of the National Party, Mr. Kanwaljit Bakshi. Now, Mr. Bakshi, what qualities do you think a person should have if they want to be a leader in the community or want to do something for the society? What qualities are important?
The qualities which are required for a politician or leadership is that first of all you should be outgoing, friendly to people, able to understand what they want to say, and try how you can communicate with them, how easily you can express your views to them. Those things are required to be a good leader. So it's not just that you are outspoken or anything, the leadership is that, but you need to understand what the issues are, and those understanding and able to pass on your message is very important.
Now, Mr. Bakshi, what are your future plans? Where do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
I like to serve my community. That has been all the time my priority, and I have been involved in many organizations working with the people all the time, and that's how I got carried away to politics, that we need someone there in Parliament who can take the views of our people over there, and when time comes, if we have to raise our voice, we have someone over there. So I see that I'll try to build up the team, as many as I can support. That will be my ambition, that I should have more people supporting our community at different levels. So the bigger team is my target.
And lastly, what's your message for the people who are watching us right now?
The message is that we should unite, and if we unite together, we will stand. If we are divided, we'll fall. So my message is, let's join together, and we have got so many good things to be done in this country, and our culture, our family backgrounds, our family values are very important. If you look anywhere, Indians are doing very well, and we need to support each other, and I'll like to see that let's together work to achieve. This is our homeland now, and we have to be very faithful to this country. No doubt motherland, we will always have our attachment to India. We can't say no to it. But now New Zealand is our homeland. We have to be very faithful to this. Let's work together to the betterment of this country, so that our future generation is also progressing along with us, and let's make a smoother way for them. We are proud that our Governor General is of Indian origin. So those kind of things are happening, and New Zealand is accepting us everywhere. And I always feel proud while sitting in Parliament that I am representing all of you. So I would say that my ambition and my future targets are that let's work together and get all what we want. We can achieve. The thing is, we have to unite.
Well, thank you very much for being a part of Cha Personality, Mr. Bakshi, and all the very best for the future.
Thank you, Neha, and thanks for hosting me today. And best of luck with your show, and I hope we'll meet once again.
So that's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another personality in Cha Personality. Till then, take care and keep watching Cha Time.